Welcome back to Market Pros. All right, so here we have Atlas on FTX on the daily. As you can see, we have been in a downtrend since 20 cents. Yeah, I mean, we had some good alpha here for a while. Uh, since then, just straight down. I mean, you're even in the oversold. You've been in the oversold since the 26th of April. Right now it is the 3rd of May right now. Your BBWP is in the upper zone, so your volatility has stayed pretty high. I mean, you're just going down. That's it on the daily. MACD under the zero line. Looks like your negative momentum could be decreasing a little bit. Um, let's move down. Let's move down to the 8 hour. I just kind of wanted to show you the overlay. All your major moving averages have negative slopes. They are kind of fanned out at the moment. Once again, you're in the oversold on the 8 hour. I mean, you've just been getting hammered this whole way down. BBWP, it's starting to contract. I mean, you're kind of just slightly going down to the right. MACD below the zero line, but you did just get a fresh cross to the upside. But I mean, that is some weak momentum right there. Weak. I mean, you barely got a bounce right there, and then just rolled on over. Let's go down to the 4 hour, because I mean, basically it's just down. By the way, if you guys like the video, like, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so here we are on the 4 hour. All major moving averages have negative slopes. You are fanned out pretty good. You are in the bearish control zone on the RSI, so your momentum looks like shit too. You did get a fresh cross of the zero line. Well, pretty fresh cross. It happened on the 2nd or on the 1st. And it looks like you're coming back down to the signal line, so we'll find out whether that just crosses again and we go back into the oversold, which we stayed in for a long time. Your BBWP looks like it's expanding. Let's go down to the 1 hour and I'll tell you the best case scenario. Best case scenario is a double bottom, and it looks like it's barting out right now. So I'm thinking that we come back down to 0.0155. You're also entering the oversold zone on the 1 hour. You're below the signal line. Fresh cross of the zero line, negative momentum is increasing. BBWP's in the upper zone, still expanding. I do think you come down to that level, 0.0155. I definitely think you come down to that level. I think we could probably get a bounce there, possibly up to the 21, and we'll come back to it, because unless we get back, we need to get back above this last high at 0.0174 in order to even remotely be short-term bullish. We need to get back above this 100 in order to be even remotely short-term bullish. I mean, this chart looks bad. I need a drink. It's so bad I need a drink. That's coffee, by the way. It's not. Yeah. So let's move on to Polis. I mean, this is just bad. Let's move on to Polis. We got Polis here on FTX on the. All right, so on the 8 hour, as you can see, just wrecked. Now it's starting to look like you're making a curved bottom here. Now I have been waiting on $1 Polis since the breakage of $6. Everybody thought I was crazy. Now we're at 117. I don't look so crazy now. And I've been waiting on this since this white box was broken. I was talking about $1 Polis and then possibly entering an accumulation zone at that level. So let's see, the RSI deep in the oversold. MACD below the zero line, but it looks like it's starting to curl over. Possibly the negative momentum is waning a little bit. I still think we're going to $1. Let's go down to a 4 hour. So yeah, you had another one of these wicks. Another one of these wicks. Got everybody bullish again. Came up to the 21. Got rejected. Bearish control zone. MACD fresh cross to the upside. So it looks like that right there just gave us a little bit of hope of momentum. But your momentum is still bearish. You need to get back above this last high. Honestly, you need to get back above the 50 at 130 in order to even remotely be bullish again, possibly get up to 145 if that happens. If you break this last low, I think you go to $1. If you break 115, I think you go to $1, period. Let's go to the 1 hour. So yeah, you break 115, I think you go to $1. Now your RSI did get bullish there for a minute. You do have some support at the top of the bearish control zone and the signal line. BBWP is in the upper zone. Looks like it's going flat a little bit, but it was expanding. All right, so on your MACD, your positive momentum's waning a little bit. So this could, you're either going to come down to 116 and bounce, and then remotely get back above this last high at 120. And if you break 115, $1 is the next level I'm looking at. And that's the level I've been waiting on since $6. So those are my thoughts on Polis and Atlas. Once again, if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel. Everybody stay nimble. Stay nimble on Atlas and Polis for sure. Definitely watch for an accumulation zone. Could be coming up. We'll see. Yeah. So everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.